Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make cheese pie. Let's start with the ingredients. So what you're going to be needing is graham cracker pie crust, 4-ounce Philadelphia cheese, 1 egg, vanilla extract,
1 tablespoon,
1 teaspoon vanilla extract, sweetened condensed milk 7 ounce, 10 ounce evaporated milk. Next we're going to put everything in the blender 2 minutes. Preheat the oven 350 Fahrenheit. Preheat the oven before baking the pie. In the information box, I'm going to leave the right ingredients. Next, we're going to take off the plastic off the graham cracker pie. Next, we're going to put the mixture and the graham cracker pie crust. We're going to bake it for 1 hour and 10 minutes. After you take it out of the oven, you are going to let it cool. Now when it's cooled off, it's going to be amazing to enjoy with your family. Decorate it with whatever you want to.
Thank you for watching this video. Do you like more videos in English? Give me one like.
Leave me your comment.